Welcome back, programmers. This video is how to get the rest of your sprites in your shop and have them work with the different coin combinations and how much they are worth. So we have the strawberry. It's already coded so that it asks the player how much it's worth. All you have to do to set up your other sprites is, of course, choose which sprites you want. And I'm going to do this orange and put it up here in the corner. And you can code it block by block and build the same algorithm that we were building for our strawberry or whatever your first item was. There's a much easier way to do that, though. And if you drag these blocks and I click on the green flag, it'll take this whole stack. And I very carefully get it so my mouse cursor is on my other sprite, this orange. You see it kind of wiggles for a moment. And I can let go. And if I did it correctly, when I click over to my other sprite, the code's all here. If touching Devon, strawberry's cost, everything's the same between my strawberry and the orange. You should double check and make sure that it works for your sprites. But the narrative has to be changed. This strawberries on the orange sprite doesn't work. So I need to rewrite it using the same words but different coins. So in this example, I'm going to say oranges cost 1/4, actually 2 quarters. We'll say oranges cost 2 quarters and 5 nickels. How many cents is, so I can retype that, how many cents is 2 quarters and 5 nickels worth? So I have to do the math and figure out what that is. So 2 quarters, 25, 50 cents for 2 quarters. 5 nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that's 25 in nickels and 50 in quarters. So 50 plus 25 is 75 cents. And that's really all that you have to do for the next sprite. So I want you to try that out for your second sprite, and I encourage you to use your own sprites in your own coins. It's more fun that way. But I'd like you to pause the video and look at this code if you need it. But also keep the video paused, and can you do the third sprite all on your own? Can you go add it? Can you drag over the code? And can you change it to work for your third sprite? So go ahead and pause, and I'll catch up with you in a moment. Okay, I hope you had good success with that. I'm going to do it now. I'm going to go choose the bananas. I'm going to put the bananas in the corner. Take my code by clicking on the green flag, the top block in the stack, and very carefully drag it over to my banana sprite. And when it wiggles, I know I can let go. And here I am on the banana. Now, this is going to be my most expensive sprite, and I actually want it to cost more than $1. So when I type my narrative, I need to make sure my coins add up to be more than $1, but our answer, the way we do the answer, is going to be different than the other ones. So I'm going to say bananas cost $1, 1/4, and 3 nickels. How many cents is $1, 1/4, and 3 nickels worth? Notice I have commas in between each of those coins. When we list things in a sentence, we separate them with commas. So the way we're going to do this, and there's lots of different choices, but the answer needs to be typed out $1, the word dollar, and the cents. So 1/4 is 25. 3 nickels, 5, 10, 15. 15 cents in nickels, 25 in the quarter. So 25 plus 40, or 25 plus 15 is 40. So my answer is a really long one, and we're going to say $1.40. That's how it needs to be typed for them to be correct. So if I click the green flag and test this out, and I walk over to the banana, it says walk to each sprite and use the arrow keys to move. When I touch it, it'll tell me its cost, and I have to type in the answer.